All right, so let's go ahead and check out our second example. All right, so we have 6 over 2 divided by 3 over 4, right? So if I were to just go ahead and divide straight across, then my answer, I would have 6 divided by 3, which is 2, over 2 divided by 4. That just seems like a lot of work. So what I need to do is I need to think about what we did in the last example. In the last example, remember that we said if two fractions have the same denominator, then we can divide straight across. But these fractions don't have the same denominator. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to skip count to find equivalent fractions so that I can find a common denominator. So I'm going to set up my 6 over 2 and my 3 over 4, and I'm just going to go ahead and set up some fraction bars here so that I can skip count to create equivalent fractions and find a common denominator. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. And remember, the denominator is the bottom number, so I'm just going to be looking at these bottom numbers right here to see what I have in common. So if I look across, I see that I have 4s in common, I have 8s in common, I have 12s in common, and I have 16s in common. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use the 4s. I'm going to use the 4s because that's the smallest number. Well, that means that also 3/4 gets to just stay the same. That's really nice. My 6 over 2 is going to change into 12 over 4. And now I can divide straight across because now we have the same denominator. We have a 4 and a 4, right? So 12 divided by 3 is 4, and 4 divided by 4 is 1. 4 over 1 gives us 4 wholes. So 6 over 2 divided by 3 over 4 is 4 wholes.